How to fix not receiving phone calls issue on iPhone. Let's get started. Launch your settings app. Here we go. Toggle on for this option of airplane mode for minimum 60 seconds and then toggle it off. Now swipe down from the right corner of your screen. Over here you will find the option of focus. Long press on it. Make sure you have disabled for all these options. Once you check this, you can go and check whether your problem has been solved or not. Likewise, heading towards next solution, scroll down. Find the option phone and open it. Scroll all the way down. Open the option blocked contacts. Now you can check the block list whether you have accidentally blocked the numbers or not. You will not receive phone calls, messages, email or FaceTime from the people on the block list. So you can check this list. Heading towards next solution, go back to the main page of settings. Open the option general. Open the option software update. If any updates are available over here, just update your phone software to its latest version. Likewise, head back. Scroll all the way down. Click on the option of transfer or reset iPhone. Click on reset. Select the option reset network settings. Now enter your passcode over here to continue with the process to reset network settings. Applying all these solutions, your problem is definitely going to be fixed. So this is how you can fix not receiving phone calls issue on iPhone. If this video was helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Thank you.